Today I'm going to put several objects in this corner to give you some inspiration on how you can make your home more cozy by filling up the negative space, or I would say the corners. And of course, the most common thing that's used to fill up a space in a corner would be a tree or plant. This right here is a 6-foot tree. What about taking the doors off of your old curio and using it and just putting modern pieces in there? That's a good corner item. You could always paint this to match any room. You could even use this as a bookshelf. In my mind, curios are not out of style. You can style those in several different ways.